First of all, remove seedlings from the germination tray. It is important to remember, avoid damaging the roots. To protect the delicate roots, scoop everything out from the side. Now transfer it into a container holding room temperature water. Let it sit in water for a few minutes for the soil to loosen up. Hold the seedlings together near its leaf. Remember, do not press too hard. By gliding gently back and forth, it will help to loosen the soil further. Even though the soil is still clumped together, separating the seedlings should be an easier job by now. Gently pull the seedlings apart without touching the root system. There you go, all separated. We hope that you find this video helpful. If you have any queries, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you for watching. Alright, bye for now.